In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wix form email notifications. One of the great things about using Wix is its flexibility and user-friendly features, and this includes the ability to customize how you receive notifications when someone submits a form on your website. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you don't miss any important messages from your visitors. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Automations. This feature is really handy because it allows you to automate certain actions based on triggers, streamlining your workflow and ensuring you're always on top of new form submissions. Now, you have two options depending on your needs. If you already have an existing automation that's triggered when a form is submitted, you can choose to edit that. Simply find the automation you want and open it up. On the other hand, if you prefer starting with a blank slate, you can create a new automation from scratch. This might be useful if you have specific requirements or just want a fresh setup. The next step is setting the trigger for your automation. You'll want to choose Wix Forms as your source. Then, select Form Submitted as the specific trigger. This step tells Wix to initiate your chosen action whenever someone fills out and submits a form on your site. Here, you'll also specify which form or forms should activate this automation. It's especially useful if you have multiple forms and only want emails triggered by particular ones. Once your trigger is set, it's time to focus on the action, which in most cases will be send an email. This is where you determine what happens once your visitor submits a form. You can either add a new action or modify an existing one if you're updating a current automation. The flexibility here allows you to ensure that the most appropriate response is automatically generated for each submission, whether it's an immediate acknowledgement or ensuring you or your team are notified right away. Finally, you'll want to configure the email itself. Take a moment to ensure that the email content aligns with the form's context and includes all relevant information. You might want to personalize the email or ensure it matches your brand's tone and style for consistency. Also, make sure the email is sent to the right people. You can specify one or multiple recipients, depending on how you've structured your communication processes. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Wix form email notifications. By following these steps, you can ensure you'll never miss out on important communications from your site visitors. Whether you're collecting feedback, processing orders, or gathering contacts, adjusting these notifications to suit your needs can help keep your operations running smoothly. Remember, automation is all about making things easier, so take advantage of it to make your life a bit simpler. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials.